Yes.
Okay, we're live now.
We're live. Okay.
So good morning, good morning, good morning. Wow, I would love to have to wear my shades because it's sunny outside, and it's a very great day today because we are here, we're all alive, are we? Yes. Look at that. We have a very special guest for this morning. So we have our friends, our owners that came here, especially the first-timers. Can I see your hands if you're first-timers here? Yeah. So later on, after we eat, we have to ask you to perform some song, some dance, because every first-timers here needs to make a history so that we won't forget you. Okay. So this is welcome to our K2 Sabado Lutong Bahay. And please let's give a round of applause to our chef, Jong, because she prepared some nice, lovely recipes for us.
We did.
And
if you focus the menu for today.
Yeah, the menu for today, we have the orange pork. The pork is not orange. Yeah, the pork is not orange. Beef in cabbage. So we have chicken beans and chorizo, because I'm reading it here. I got a small chicken beans and chorizo, fish green Thai curry, baked sea bass, banana upside down cake.
Yes.
Okay, so
yeah.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
I know you're born ready.
All right. So we're going to start with our
guys. If you can come in here over so that we can closer.
Orange pork. So for those who's allergic to pork or not eating pork, just stay away from it, okay?
Give it to me or
give
Ariel.
it to you, okay? So we have we're going to use our electric skillet, okay? Boys, just don't touch the electrics, yeah? It's okay, they can stand there, Mom. It's okay.
There's no oil splash.
So we have our we're going to use our electric skillet, okay? All of you have electric skillet, yeah? Okay, so you preheat them to 230 degrees. There's two things you know if it's ready. One is the blinking will disappear. Yeah, the blinks from your...
the blink only will disappear, not the skillet, okay?
The blink will disappear. Or you do the water test. Yeah,
you see that? Mercury?
So that means that's it. You reach to the temperature that you can fry. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll fry the pork. But normally the way of doing this is you would you preheat, you put the oil in. Okay, now in Salad Master we want to stay away from fats and oil.
You see that water?
So we just
can you see how good Salad Master is? Even though you don't know how to dance, the water is dancing.
So
yeah, without music.
Okay, now we're starting with our jokes. Pardon the joke. So all I've done with the pork is just salt and pepper. So just sprinkle some salt and pepper. Just put it there. Okay. Probably half an hour to to make sure they are marinated. So instead of pouring oil, you just preheat them and then just put your so you see
guys, it's summer now. Imagine if that's in your own home with full of oil. You're gonna call 999 because you're gonna go to A&E because you're gonna get burned in there.
Okay. So you don't remove the oil from the cooking because one of the biggest
pork.
This pork or is it loin or shoulder or?
This is shoulder.
Shoulder.
This is shoulder.
I see how strong this is shoulder. Look.
It's shoulder. So what we do is we encourage that, you know, when you fry without oil, it's actually the oil coming out from the meat that will cook it. So technically the meat doesn't need the oil. Our body doesn't need this synthetic oil. It is our pan that needed oil. Okay, so what we needed to change to go healthy is really our pan. Yeah? Okay, so what we do is that's preheated. So as you know, when you cover it, that's for roasting. If I wanted to cook that and put some stew or whatever, yeah, I'll put it fully closed. But because I want to fry it, I crack the lid a bit. To avoid from splashing from your kitchen, don't crack like that. Just a little bit is enough. Yeah, just a little bit of air. And then I'll put them for 14 minutes. But what I'll do is after 7 minutes, I'll flip it on another side. Yeah?
Yeah.
So that means 14 minutes because halfway at 7, I'm gonna flip it on another
Okay.
side. Okay? And
So
then
again,
I'm gonna
because
put
just to cut you, John, because we want, you know, sometimes because it's now the weather is good,
yes.
we want some barbecue, right?
What temperature is that?
230.
2:30. Okay. So we want some barbecue.
Yeah.
You don't need to rush to if you forgot to buy some charcoal, because this will still gonna make you a barbecue. Because if you leave this open, that's your grill, that's your barbecue. Yeah. So roasting, frying, and grilling. All right. So we're gonna leave it there,
Lovely.
and make sure that you do it outside because did you see that smoke?
It's gonna be smoky.
Smoky. Okay.
Alright, okay. Now, the next thing, so while that's being fried, I'll do the beef and cabbage.
Good morning, Irene.
Okay?
Thank you for watching.
So I'm using another electric of salad master, yeah? So we have 2 electrics in salad master. One is this skillet, so which is shallow. This one's deeper. But their pros work the same. Okay, the way it operates is the same. So this one I preheat it to 170 degrees.
Yeah, okay. Tita Glo, thank you for watching.
Yeah, 170.
Kuya Paul, thank you for watching.
Alright, okay. So what
Kuya
I'll
Joey,
do,
yeah,
5 quart, no?
yeah,
5 quart.
MP5. So what I'll do is I'm just
Or
gonna
any-
use a code number 3.
Oh, number 3.
Okay, does everybody have the machine?
Yeah. Right, no, not yet.
Not yet, not yet.
Not yet.
Do you know how to get one? Yeah? How do you get one for free?
Recommend.
Yes, yes. Recommend this to 2 families. We'll come and cook for them.
Share the experience
Yeah,
of
share
Salad
the
Master.
experience of salad
Okay?
master. So I'm using cone number 3. Okay. So this is very easy to use. You just put it in. This is how you remove them. Okay.
Can we say happy birthday because our friend of ours, Bobet, has a happy birthday. Can you say happy birthday, Bobet? Happy birthday, Bobet. Okay, so Bobet, thank you. Bet, happy birthday.
Okay. So we have our onions. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So all you do is in cone number 3, you chop them.
See that? Wow. Okay? It's too fast. No time to cry, right? Look at that.
Yeah. So chop your onions to cone number 3. You can use other cones, but this one is suitable for cone number 3.
Sa,
What
thank you
I
for
do-
watching.
Is I put it there, so no oil.
Fry onions, no oil.
So
There you
fry
go.
onions without the use of
Wow. Smells good, right? Because I went jogging this morning, so I'm sweating. That's why the smell is good.
Okay, so you just have your onions over there. What you do next is put your tomato. So 1 onion, then I have 2 tomatoes.
Tomato.
And
Tomato.
Then I have
It
1
depends on
teaspoon
different
of
country where you are.
1 teaspoon of
Tomato paste?
tomato paste.
Okay.
Okay.
This is not the paste that you close your letter, right? So make aware. Be aware.
The joke is terrible. So we have paprika.
That's why you're laughing because it's terrible, right?
Paprika,
Paprika, turmeric,
black pepper,
Black pepper.
and yes, turmeric,
Turmeric.
and salt.
and salt.
So we have half a teaspoon for all of them. So half a teaspoon turmeric, half a teaspoon paprika, half a teaspoon pepper, black pepper, and then half a teaspoon of your salt. Okay?
Maybe 20 grams.
What?
Just
Then
half
you
a
put-
teaspoon will do.
Half a teaspoon. Okay? Then put everything together there. Mix it.
What? The turmeric. But not too much. Maybe your eyes will turmeric. Yeah. Turmeric, the mata.
Okay. Then put this is 1 kilo of diced beef.
Diced beef, wow. That means the beef is? How did you know that? Wow, what a good boy.
Okay.
Wow.
So what I do is I mix them.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Man, you look very smart, man. We look like if I go beside you, we're gonna look like, oh my God, who's this?
Okay. So what I'll
Very
do
smart, huh?
is I go up. So that's 170 when I was doing it. I'll increase it to 200.
200.
Yeah. Once I heard this clicking, I'm going back to turn it down to 150.
Yeah.
Okay? So 200, when it starts clicking, I'll go back to turn it down to 150. Then I put the cabbage and put it for 20 minutes.
Wow.
But as we go along, I'll show it to you.
Wow. Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
All right. So is that time to flip that one?
Yeah. So 9 minutes.
9 minutes. And over it. Let me just find
My flipping.
yeah, your flipping thing. Fast enough.
Okay,
What
look at
you
that.
do, yeah, is just flip your fork.
Flip fork.
No, it won't stay.
No, it won't stick because it's fully preheated. You know, sometimes if you get food that sticks when you fry, two things: the heat is not enough, yeah,
Or the heat is too much.
or the heat is too much. Yeah, this is stick. You did not preheat it, yeah, and the heat is very low. If you don't preheat the pan properly and you see the water is not like a mercury beds, that means it's not fully preheated yet.
So we have what, 8 minutes left on
Yeah,
that one.
and that will
Okay.
be
And then once it's finished, I'll talk to you through it and what you're going to do. Okay. While we are waiting for the click for the beef,
chicken
I'm going
beans.
to do the chicken beans chorizo.
Wow.
Chicken beans chorizo, I'm going to do the Grand Gourmet.
Ooh, look at
Okay.
that, how big it is.
So this is Ask Us
Exclusive. Last
exclusive. This
March.
is one of the limited
Limited
edition.
edition.
Of salad.
Unfortunately, it's gone. Okay,
Yeah.
it's gone. Finish.
Andy got one.
Yeah, Annie got one. Yeah. Annie got one.
Okay, so what we do with this one, there we go. So this one, can you see it there? I need to show you. I've preheated it to medium heat as well. So what I do is I'm just checking that it's ready for
Yeah. Did you see the water? Like beans.
frying. Yeah?
Yeah.
So that's ready. So medium heat. If you're not using electric or induction hob, just make sure you find the medium of your gas if you're using gas.
Ate Jeng, you're absent today.
Okay. So we have.
Look who's here. Look. Ate Jeng.
So we have chorizo. Okay, cut.
This is Spanish chorizo,
Yeah,
right?
Spanish chorizo.
Okay.
So
So
what
the
I
one
do-
who made it is a Spaniards. Okay, so Spanish
Spanish
chorizo.
chorizo. All you do is without any oil, just put your chorizo. Chorizo.
Good in paella. This one is nice in paella.
Yeah.
Yes, paella.
Give me the chicken, please.
Chicken.
Chicken is coming,
Okay.
flying.
It's flying. Chicken's flying your way. Okay, so you put your chicken.
Hi, Dek. Thank you for watching today.
Okay. So I'll cover that, and what I do is I'm going to.
Hi, Bo. Thank you for watching.
Where's my onions? Onions.
Onion.
Okay. I'll have the onions. I'll do it for number 4.
Go number 4, yeah? You want to slice it, right?
I want to slice it.
Look at that. You see how quick it is?
So that's
You still need knife if you have the salad master machine? I don't think so. Yeah? Because you can dice your onions there, your garlic if you want to dice some garlic. The onions is there.
Yeah.
Look
do you
at
have-
that. Beauty daw si Ate Jay. We're gonna tell you the taste, Ate. Ariel will let you know how bad the taste is. Yeah?
I'll take your portion.
Then with that, we're gonna add our beans.
Mm-hmm.
We have our cooked beans. So you have your butter beans mixed with. Let me just show you. Underneath here is kidney beans.
Yeah.
So we have 2 types of beans on this one. Yeah.
The beans are cooked.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's
Yes,
put
Dek.
them.
That's usually right. Okay.
So you have cooked beans.
Inday
there.
Grace, thank you for watching. By the way, Grace here is one of our grandmaster dealer in Qatar. Okay.
Yeah, just
So they're from Bacolod.
Hello, Ilonggos. Okay.
Dai,
and then
see you sa India.
100 mils of soy sauce.
Yeah. We're flying on Sunday, Dai.
Okay. So soy sauce. And I'm gonna add
Black pepper.
black pepper.
So why we use black pepper? Did you know?
No.
It's clicking, yeah? Okay. I thought you know why we're using black pepper.
Okay, so we have half a teaspoon of black pepper.
No, because it's not white.
Okay, so we close that.
It's not white.
Once
so
it's
then we use
clicking,
black. High five.
once it's clicking, and we're going to add the broccoli.
Yeah. So broccoli.
Broccoli. One of the best broccoli you can have is you can have that color rather than the usual ones. Yeah.
So Arnel, well, thank you for watching.
Okay, now it's 200. Now let me just show you. Because normally you would say that's without water. Yeah. Earlier on. Most of the time we're worried.
Look at that water that's coming out from your
So
beef.
you've got.
It's a square.
Okay. So all you do is put that. Okay. And I said when it's clicking, we lower it down to 150. Okay. For 20 minutes. Yeah, and that's the time you put 20 minutes. So as soon as you put 20 minutes, you can go to sleep.
So can you imagine?
Because it switches off after
Switches off.
20 minutes.
So can you imagine what's the good thing with you if you have Salad Master, even though if you're in the desert, you don't need water to cook your meal. Because it will produce water. Just cook cactus with it, right?
Recipe there though.
Huh? Cactus. Just put it on the sand because the sand is too hot.
Best part of your cabbage is in the middle, so please do not cut and throw them away. Always include them in your cooking. It's high in pectin. It's good for fighting
Cancer. One of the cruciferous vegetables.
yeah. So
Broccoli,
I have,
cauliflower, the Brussels sprouts, red radish. There's so many cruciferous vegetables.
What number? This is
Cone number 3.
Cone number 3.
Yeah,
yeah,
that's my
so
favorite
that's
one.
number 3.
My favorite.
So you combine red and white cabbage.
And white. You know what's the difference between white and red cabbage? How did you know that? You're a smart guy. You're smart. Yeah, how smart you are. Maybe you're wondering others are coming out from the bowl. Yeah, of the vegetable. This is another feature of the machine. Because this is a feature of separating the good stuff and the bad stuff. The one that's coming out are the bad stuff. The one that stays in the bowl are the good stuff.
Okay, then we add our cabbage, yeah?
Very clever machine.
Believe me, the machine is so
Very
clever.
clever.
Very clever.
If I was, if I have this during my high school days, I'm gonna bring this every day in school.
To help
This is
you.
clever, yeah.
Your assignment. Okay, so we leave that for 20 minutes. All right? On
When you
150
bring all the
degrees.
Hmm?
When you just bring all the boxes.
We're gonna what?
When you just bring all the
I
boxes.
wish I can understand what you say because
Bring all the pots.
slowly, man. Slowly. You know, I only have 2 packets of English here. You know, English is my 5th language. What did you say? What did you say?
When you just take all the pots.
Why did I say what?
Why didn't you just take all the pots
For where?
to bring to?
I wish I can have that when I was studying, yeah? That was 12 years ago.
All right.
50 years ago.
Ariel, please.
Okay, now, I prepared the orange one because the
The chicken?
the chicken now?
The pork.
Yeah, the pork, sorry. I'm following you. Okay.
You didn't do the crumb.
Now,
No, it's
close it
finished.
now. It's finished cooking.
Yep. When it's
Alright.
finished, it turns out like this.
Okay, so what I'll do is I'm gonna use the zest of the
Wow, look at that.
orange, yeah?
Why just the skin?
The skin.
Why skin though?
I skin them.
It's the
Adds
zest.
flavor, and at the same time, the zest is high in oxidant.
Vitamin S.
Antioxidant. What else?
Skin.
What number of corn is that?
This is cone number 2. Okay. Then what I'll do is I'll cut the orange, the carrots, to cone number 5. So can you imagine if you don't have the machine, this is quite tedious to do.
Wow, look at that.
Now, in cone number 1, I want to cut the what do you call it? The ginger.
The ginger. Look at that, how you
Ginger,
can...
not the ginger.
Yeah?
Ginger, yeah?
Ginger.
So a small amount of ginger. Okay. And all I do is most the knife right here.
One is the smallest.
The smaller the number, the smaller the cuts. If you remember that in your cone.
Okay. So in cone number 1, you can actually
Juice.
choose the orange.
Or lemon if you want to do in your salad as well. Wow. So what it is? What does it mean when you hear clicking like that?
Finish. Finish. We finish.
It's 86 degrees inside.
Yeah, that.
Yeah. So by the way, sometimes other people, if you're setting it at 200, you say, so how? Why did you say 100 or 200 is still high? The temperature that you set on your electric skillet is not the actual temperature inside your pan. This is the heating setting. You know, so 150 is like the medium heat. Yeah, because you're gonna still base it on your bulb. When it starts to click, that means it reaches the 86 degrees inside. If you set to 230, that means you're doing it on the high heat. Yeah, because when we do 230, we fry, we grill. That's why we want high heat for those, because you cannot grill on a medium heat because it's not gonna cook. Okay. So the juice of the orange now?
So just use 2 oranges for 1 kilo of pork shoulder, yeah?
So why it's shoulder that we use? You know? Because it's not the leg. Strong. It's contagious, yeah?
I'm learning.
What are we going to put this juiced oranges in?
In the pork.
The orange one.
That.
Mm-hmm.
Orange and pork.
Okay, so I have the orange there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What I do is I'm gonna do the onions.
Mm-hmm.
So I have carrots, I have ginger, and I have the orange and
Look
your
at that.
onions.
Look at that.
Which one did you use that for?
Does it matter how you slice the onions?
Yeah.
Or
Doesn't matter.
What's better?
It's your choice.
You're the cook, so you make your own recipes too.
And you're the chef.
Okay.
Exactly right. Look at the pork. It's already cooked. Beautiful.
One of the recipes I found is they're using sometimes lemonade. Yeah, as well.
instead of squeezing orange juice.
Yeah, instead of squeezing orange juice, they use lemonade in cans. So we thought it's better this way.
Okay.
So what you have there is scallions.
Scallions. Scallions. Yung daon sibuyas lang gina.
For now.
Okay, all right. Put it to 200
For how many minutes?
for 3 minutes.
It is very, very quick because the pork is already cooked. So we're just gonna cook the vegetable in there.
3 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah. 3
Alright.
minutes.
3 minutes.
Okay. I'll have the last one is the curry, fish curry.
Okay.
This is the chicken with beans. I'm just gonna add the
Broccoli.
broccoli.
Broccoli. You know this vegetable is a lot in Kauli. That's why we call it broccoli. You can only get it in Kauli.
No.
Broccoli.
Okay, so you have your chicken, your
Wow. That looks yummy already. Huh? With the beans in there.
yeah.
With the chorizo.
Ooh la la.
Summer food. Summer food.
So I'm just gonna put your broccoli. No. Because when you serve it later, you just put that and you put the broccoli on top.
Wow. Okay.
That's clicking, we'll switch it off.
When it starts to click again, you can turn it off because it's already cooked. Because that's the second time to click. That's fine, it's too good.
Just wait for it to click. Yeah? Okay. Our last dish that we're going to do. Yeah, sorry? It's on 150. Leave it on 150. It's on 150. Leave it for 150. 10 minutes it's done. Okay, so I have the, what do you call this one? The green Thai curry. Okay, so I have fish over there. So very, very easy to make. You can get your green paste curry from any Asian shop.
Any Asian store.
Asian store. Okay, now in your 5 quart, yeah,
5 quart
wok. This is one of the items for owners. So if you recommend us after all the gifts, so you have the food processor, then you have the block of knives, you have the kettle. The last one of the items that you have on your 4th hosting is the 5 quart wok. It's best to use this, and this could be a lid cover as well on your electric skillet. So if you take the cover off, I've preheated it already. So what I'll do is if it serves as a
You
lid.
want to roast a chicken on your skillet?
So yeah, it can
So
cover
it's like
your
a dome
electric.
cover, and then you can put another, like
you
1
can
quart
put
on the top. Then you can cook your another meal in there, right? Because it's stovetop cooking.
Isn't there another one of these pots where there's like one pot connected to another pot?
Yes.
And then you like make cheese.
You need to buy chef set to use all the pots because of different sizes.
Okay, so I've preheated it to medium heat. Okay, so let me check if that's ready steady. Okay,
Not yet.
so not yet. So what
You
I'll
see
do
that?
is
The water
while
absorbs when you drop it there. That means it's not preheated yet.
okay, so what I'll do is I'm just gonna prepare the onions, the garlic, and the ginger.
Wow. So again, what's the condition in here when your first time? When we eat later, if you like the food, yeah, you're if you like the food, you're free of washing. But if you don't like the food, you're gonna wash all this stuff. Yeah, yes.
By
So you,
yourself?
of course, because you don't like the food.
Okay, so on
But if you like the food, you're excused for that.
phone number 3,
Yeah?
we have our onions.
I'm gonna ask
chopped.
you later if you're gonna like the food.
So this machine is very useful if you're making our Shanghai, our lumpia, our vegetable spring rolls.
Spring rolls.
We have our spring rolls. And when you have one of these cones, it's very easy to clean. You just wash the cones when you do that.
Rinse it.
Yeah, just rinse them. Okay. Now what I'll do is I do the ginger. They're one of the vegetables that grows, root crops that goes under the ground.
Under
So
the ground.
don't take the skin off. Just cut them with it to maximize the nutrients.
Quick, isn't it?
Okay, so we have that, and then you have your garlic.
You see the garlic? No.
So the gloves, do not remove the skin, and you have the
The
whole
garlic
thing.
grows under the
And the garlic clear
ground.
inside.
Okay, so you have those. And all you do, the skin, you just removed it.
Okay. Easy. Makes your life easy in the kitchen.
Okay. What I have now is I'm just gonna put,
Fry it without oil as well.
yeah. Just put it. Okay, so onions, garlic, and ginger. We're not trying to change the way you cook your food, but we're just trying to make it healthier for you. Then you have that. Then you have lime leaves. Yeah.
The leaves
1, 2,
of the
3,
lime.
4, 5, 6,
That's why
7.
we call it lime leaves.
Yes, lime leaves. And then you have 1 big tablespoon of curry paste. Yeah? Thai curry, green Thai curry paste. So you just put the whole lot. Okay. And once you have that, you have to add 200 mils of coconut milk.
Coconut milk.
Yes.
I don't know, that's real. It's just water.
That's coconut milk.
It's like real milk. It's like coconut.
It's the milk from the coconut. Don't put that on your coffee, okay? Or your cereal. Okay? Because back home I remember I have to climb the coconut tree to get the milk, and then you have to...
Good.
How you say it here.
Okay. And then you have your, this is panga fillet. You can use fish, yeah? You can use any fish. Or some uses a tilapia fillet. You can use tilapia fillet as well. This one's panga.
Panga.
Yeah, it's one of the frozen stuff you can find.
It's what you call this?
Chick.
A chick fish.
Cheek of the fish.
This is panga. You know, panga in the Philippines
Jaw
is
of the fish.
Joe.
Joe.
No, they're not jaw of the
Fish
fish.
jaw.
The name of the fish.
Good, don't get confused these people because we are far from the.
That's why Joe say joke is bad.
50 mils of
Fish sauce.
Yeah?
That's 51 by the way. I measured that earlier.
Okay, what I'll do is I'll cover that, and I'm just gonna shred
And carrots.
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 You know, carrots is rich in vitamin what? A. It's good for eyesight, right? Vitamin A. You know why carrots is good for eyesight?
Because
It's alright, Mom.
Yeah, it's okay.
What's the answer?
What's the answer?
I'm not saying it.
You're not saying it. Oh, come on.
You're a good child. Mom just look at you and you know the answer.
Yeah? Good boy.
Never seen a rabbit with bad
I
eyes.
cut the
Wearing glasses, right?
Have you seen a rabbit with the glasses? Yes.
If they,
I cut the carrots, and it made me
if they
cry.
do, you could have seen. You cut your finger.
No,
Carrots.
the carrots made me cry.
That's the onion. That's the onion.
But that's the onion.
I think you just missed
I've been
China.
cutting an onion.
Okay. Maybe you remember something.
Is that your favorite
Baby.
carrot?
Okay, so you know, for us, you know, Asian chapsoy we call it. This is a best cut for the chapsoy. It's another Asian dish. It's a Chinese dish. Look at that. How quick it is. Toto
Pak choy?
Edgar, wala ka naman di. Absent ka subong.
Pak choy. Yeah, pak choy. And then coriander.
Coriander. This vegetable is originated in Korea.
So when it starts clicking, all you do is turn it to low for 5 minutes.
Okay?
Okay? Alright? This is what's
Done.
happening to this one. It's clicking. Okay, switch it off.
Okay, so
That's
this is
done.
your, look at that, the color of your broccoli there is very, very fresh. Okay.
Okay. Alright. Now we'll wait for the clicking. This is, by the way, the rice we cooked.
Magic.
So that's already done.
You don't even know that. You know, I did that.
Okay. We'll do our banana upside down. Yeah?
Oh, wow, I love that.
Okay. Now preheat this to 170. And what I'll do is I put the
Big thing.
this is half a cup of so this is
Muscovado.
muscovado. So you put half a cup of
Kuya Ferdy,
muscovado
thank you for
sugar.
watching.
Yeah, brown sugar or muscovado sugar.
Is that preheated already?
It's preheated 170. So you just put half a cup. Spread it there. And then peel your banana.
Banana.
You can use the full
Yeah, it's
processor.
easy.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's-
bananas in the bottom because that's how
Because the yeah. You just that's easy, no?
We'll see how Ariel peel the banana.
Oh.
Don't eat it, Dad.
So we would like to thank Ariel for helping us.
Hi, hello.
Yeah.
Good morning, everybody. You should be here, really. There's a lot of things to learn here.
Yes.
Amazing things.
Can you
So, yes.
It follows a pattern, sir.
Oh, so I'm so sorry. So, you see, I learned something.
Because you're gonna flip it later. You're gonna flip it later. The banana will be on the top. Very, very nice. You're gonna love that.
So that's how many bananas?
five.
5? You get 6, yeah?
Be careful because this is hot. Yeah, maybe you're gonna burn yourself there.
Okay. Put the lid on. Okay. So now, remember that's 170, yeah?
I feel like tough.
All I do is I'm gonna prepare the cake.
Ooh, wow.
Yeah.
If you have your own
Who wants
recipe-
cake today? Look at that. Everybody wants cake. Everybody is so quiet now because they're hungry. Isn't it? They're hungry, right? Hungry.
We're done. The beef is done. The it's only now the cake. We're done. So we're just waiting for this to click.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. If you have your own recipe, use them. I use a vanilla prepared mix from
yeah.
Auntie Betty. So, and any mix can do as well. It doesn't need to be her.
So this is vanilla, yeah?
Yes, this is
Vanilla.
vanilla. Okay. This is vanilla. I don't know how to bake, you see. So I don't know about the mixture,
We're not a
the
baker.
proportion.
We're not a baker. We're
I'm
not a
not
baker.
like Mrs. Yebra. So
Very
yeah.
good in puto.
Yeah, bro.
Ate G, puto.
Obviously.
So I'll just clean the go number 1 so it won't smell
Onions, garlic.
onions, garlic.
Auntie Betty Crook.
Instead of adding butter and oil and water,
Mm-hmm.
I'm just gonna use
See, thank you for watching. You know, see? See ya. See ya, see ya. See, Mel is here.
Hello.
okay, you have carrots.
Very, very quick. You shred the carrots. Alright.
Courgette.
Courgette.
Yes, it's go number one.
Go
Yeah?
number 1, yeah?
Go number 1. Sorry, I forgot to say. Go number 1. And then we have celery. Yeah?
Remember, it doesn't matter which one you use.
Which one doesn't matter?
It doesn't matter which shredder you use.
No, it has to be
No,
go
it
number
has
1.
to be go number 1 because
If it's go number 2, it won't produce that much oil and water for the vegetable.
for cake only.
Yeah? Okay. So we're just gonna put 3 eggs in this one.
Okay? You see how amazing the salad master is because the bowl can separate the egg from the eggshell. Have you seen that? Only in salad master that can make that happen. Right? Have a look. This bowl can separate the egg from the eggshell. Look. It separates the egg from the eggshell. Amazing bowl, right? Okay? And the machine as well. The machine is so perfect to give you the idea, would give you the peace of mind that you can separate the egg from the egg. Look. Yeah, and if you cannot do it once, do it twice. Yeah? Okay, you want to see it again? The MP5 as well, it can separate the egg from the eggshell. Look. See? Perfect. Do I deserve a clap for that?
Yes, yay!
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Okay, yeah, fine.
Again, it's Ariel.
Oh.
Okay.
First time Ariel, so you need to mix.
Oh.
So that's your
Caramelized.
Are we going to fold and cut?
What?
mix only.
Just mix only. So whatever the taste of the cake,
Oh, yes.
you know who to blame. You know, Her name is Mel.
I do it.
Remember, it's, it's only a 3-letter word. So it's like this. If we do banana Q, this is what the same process you're gonna do. Yeah, no oil.
Cut the banana instead.
No,
You want just to do the
Halfway.
whole banana.
I want it long,
Otherwise
Heidi.
it will mash.
No, it's not. It's cut long way.
Yeah, like that.
Twice, not cross.
Lengthwise. No?
Look at later.
No, you can if you want.
You can if you want to. If that's your recipe.
Yeah, of course.
That's the recipe for supper.
Yeah, but I know. I get the...
So it's like banana Q, ate. This is the same process when you do banana Q. Do a plantain, yeah? Do plantain.
You're doing a great job, Mel.
Yeah, I see.
On the lamb.
Can you see my muscles?
It's easy. It's good to...
It's mixing the muscles. Yeah.
Mm.
Pwede yung banana cube niya?
Yeah, the same.
No oil, no? Just melt
The same thing, the same thing. You cut the plantain with like small bites, bite size, and then you do the sugar.
So one of the experience you have,
180 is the temperature.
Pamasal mo nga doon.
Oh, sweet milk.
Ariel, look at the muscle. Look, the muscle. Look. Give him a round of applause. Guys, by the way, he's our president here, our Filipino community of Oxford.
Thank you.
He's the president. He's the chairman. Okay?
I'm not running for the next election.
But he's running for barangay election, you know? Barangay captain. Yeah.
And you're invited for the Independence Day.
Yeah.
So once it's cooked, so let me
You can
just
mix
show
it.
you.
Look at
The,
that.
yeah, you can just mix it now. So 20 minutes, you have your
Beef with
cabbage.
cabbage.
Yeah, beef with cabbage.
Wow, yummy.
Yeah, you just have that.
This is good for vegetarian as well. Did you know?
If you don't use, if you all you do
Huh?
is
The
yes,
beef with cabbage.
exactly. Remove the beef
Yes.
and just use the same slices.
You know why?
Cabbage. You just need
Because
to
the
use
cow
many,
only eats grass, so it's vegetarian. So
lots
the
of tomato.
Hey, can we check it out?
Some people use it.
Not yet, it's not
fresh,
clicking yet.
so I can just I use 2 tomatoes there. But if you don't want meat, then you can use just the cabbage and the ingredients that we've used.
Ne,
the
thank you for
paprika,
watching.
turmeric. Just take away the meat, so it can be just cabbage.
Okay. Wow, look at that!
Is this
Perfect
that-
now.
am I doing
Look.
this correctly?
Wow.
Oh. Gosh.
Can you imagine if you come here every Saturday? Huh.
You'll be doing that.
Next Saturday you're gonna do the left side so that it's balanced. Yeah.
And then the next Saturday,
You have to do it together. Yeah.
Gosh, I love the food. Oh, thank you.
All right, thank you very much. That's well.
Give Ariel a round of applause. Our lovely chairman.
you.
Look at that.
This is what we needed to have, the consistency. Most people will ask, okay, I'll switch that off because that's the caramelized picture that you
Picture.
want to see.
The
Yeah?
banana.
Okay, and your cake should be like that.
Right?
Perfectly
That
mixed.
consists,
Yeah,
mixed,
perfectly
you know.
mixed. Okay,
The courtesy of Ariel.
Head out to Mel.
Yeah.
an effort of
For those who are watching, you should be really here. It's a great experience.
Wow.
You've got to come next Saturday.
Yes. Next Saturday we're not here.
we're in India.
Then
We're
don't
still
come
in
then.
India. So next Saturday, guys, we're not here just for that Saturday. But the following Saturday we'll be here because we are going to India.
Yeah, but then
It's a trip that Salad Master have let us experience. It's a trip of a lifetime.
He's going to propose in Taj Mahal.
Yeah.
Taj Mahal.
Mahal.
And it's good to go because it's free. And, exactly.
Indeed.
Imagine. So it's a privilege for us. I think somebody needs to do it, and it's a hard job to go for a free holiday, right? For a free
Okay.
trip.
Cover. All right. Now earlier on, what temperature are we?
170.
170. Now what I'll do is I put it to. Okay, sorry.
I'm gonna go with your question.
130. Yeah. Yeah, okay. For 19 minutes.
19 minutes for your cake. One how much temperature?
So
130, 19 minutes. So it applies to any cake that you do. Yeah? Okay, any cake.
Preheat 170.
Yeah, preheat it because I'm caramelizing. If you don't caramelize,
Straight
and
from
you're
the
just
cold.
gonna do the cake, you don't have to preheat it. Straight from the cold, 130, 19 minutes.
Alright?
Okay, I think we're done.
Yeah, what's your question, sir? You're raising your hand earlier.
Oh, yeah. When you go, because I take over.
You want to take over?
Yeah.
My job?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Excellent.
No problem. I'm gonna shake hands for that. Okay, now you start washing the small dishes. Because that's my job. Isn't it?
It is a great succession planning.
Okay, guys, thank you very much for coming. Thank you for spending some time with us. And I believe that you like what you saw. And thank you for coming. We'll see you next week. Oh, you're gonna eat as well! Oh, I didn't know that! Okay, but thank you for coming. Really appreciate. And please, just let someone know, especially the one who use Salad Master, to let them come here or just watch our live show on our Facebook if they cannot able to come, or on our YouTube channel. Our channel is K2 Good Health Limited, the channel in YouTube, right? So just watch in there, and some of the shows that we see is there. Okay? So thank you very much. Give yourself a round of applause.